Customer states, need new door hinge stamped on hinge pad NR 5.701 636. Identify marks to look for. Note the notch, the screw placement and pattern. Has vertical and horizontal adjustment screws. This looks like S4001. The factory has stopped making in the dual adjustment hinge. The replacement is S4003 with the vertical adjustment set hinge and S4004 for the horizontal adjustment guide hinge. Hinge placement. Use both S4003 and S4004 together. S4004 provides horizontal adjustment and S4003 provides vertical adjustment. Hinges sold individually and can be used on right-hand and left-hand doors. Please use factory drawing dimensions to verify before placing your order. More information is in the product description.